guys! Hello! Welcome again to the Investing Mom channel. Again, my name is Lael. At sa video na ito ay ituturo ko sa inyo ang paggamit ng COL Financial website. Bali po, ang primary goal natin sa video na ito ay ma-familiarize ninyo ang iba't ibang features and tools na maaari mong magamit para mag-invest successfully sa Philippine stock market. Well, dahil time is money, hindi na po ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. Simulan na po natin. First thing that you need to do is to go to COL Financial website. On your favorite search engine, type nyo lang po yung COL Financial. Then hit enter. And then click nyo lang po yung pinakaunang result. Ang assumption po natin dito ay nakapag-open na po kayo ng COL Financial Account at nakareceive na po kayo ng confirmation email containing your COL account number, which is your username at yung default password nyo po. Sa mga wala pa pong account, meron po tayong separate video kung paano po mag-open ng account sa COL. So try po nating mag-login. Cover ko lang po yung user ID details ko po ha for security purposes. Suggestion ko po na i-secure nyo po lagi yung user ID and password information nyo po. Then, hit login. Once na makapag-login na po kayo, and since this is your first time to do it, ang una nyo pong gagawin ay i-check ang details ng profile nyo po. Para magawa ito, under the Home tab, meron po ditong Change Profile subtab. Click nyo lang po yan. Basically po, makikita nyo rito yung current account details na na-provide nyo during account application. Ang gawin nyo lang po dito ay i-check kung tama ang name na nakaregister, kung tama po ba yung spelling ng pangalan nyo. Bali po, may dalawang importanteng section na kailangan ma-ensure nyo na tama. Ito po yung email address at ang inyong bank details. So, bakit? Kasi yung importanteng updates and news ni COL Financial will be sent on the registered email. Tapos po, yung bank details nyo, dapat ma-ensure nyo din na active account siya. Kasi if you have withdrawal request, dito sa registered bank account, i-deposit ni COL Financial. Okay? So, please take note of that. Next thing that you need to do if this is your first time to log in on your COL Financial account is to change your default password. So, click nyo lang po yung edit. Of course, this is to ensure the security of your account. Bali po, set nyo lang yung password na madali nyong matatandaan. So, set nyo po yung current password, yung default password nyo po. Then, yung bago nyo, yung preferred password nyo po. Then, confirm po natin yung bagong password. Alright. Then, hit change password. So, after setting the new password po, kailangan po natin magre-login gamit ang bago nating password. Okay. So, ayan, nakapasok na po tayo ulit sa account natin. So, it is time for us to start familiarizing the features of your COL Financial account. Dati po kasi nung nag-start ako, alam niyo po ba yung feeling na since first time mo magkaroon ng COL Financial account, may kaba factor na baka may maklik akong mali. Bali po, normal lang pala yung ganung pakiramdam. Kaya tama lang po na mag-resort tayo sa ganitong tutorial para ma-boost yung confidence nyo at mawala ang kaba. At syempre, ma-widen yung knowledge natin sa mga features and tools na meron si COL Financial. Kung mapapansin nyo po, meron tayong 6 major tabs. Meron tayong Home, Quotes, Trade, Research, Street Smart, and Mutual Fund. So, under these major tabs po, meron din pong mga sub-tabs. So, i-discuss po natin yung usual nating or usual ko pong ginagamit. So, let's discuss first the home tab. So, kung mapapansin nyo po, upon logging in, by default po, nakaselect na yung home tab. So, sa home page, makikita nyo po yung combination ng personalized dashboard on this frame, latest research, call announcement and news on this area, code generator, at yung interactive tab browser. So, i-discuss po natin yan isa-isa. Bali po, ang una ay ang personalized dashboard. Andito po yung basic information about your account type, your equity value, the date change, at yung 5 last trade information nyo po. So, sa ilalim po nitong personalized dashboard, nandito naman po yung latest research, kung saan makakita po kayo ng technical and fundamental analysis issued by the COL Financial Analyst. Meron din po dito mga call announcements, like if may web maintenance, company dividend advice, or latest company public offering, you will be informed on this section. At syempre, for the PSE news, you will see the company updates or some urgent news for your reference. Okay? Next po ay ang code generator. Bali po itong section na to is very helpful. So, if you wanted to have a quick code check ng isang company, so, bali, ilalabas nito yung brief summary for you to assess on what's happening to the company. So, for example, let's type in ALI. So, hit code. So, ayan po. Maglalabas siya ng mga information like this one. So, next one is the interactive frame. So, meron tayong 5 tabs dito. We have the actives, gainers, losers, markets, and portfolio. So, una po yung actives. So, dito nyo po makikita yung pinaka-traded na stocks on a specific trading day. Next is the gainers and losers. So, self-explanatory naman po iyan. We also have the markets. So, itong market tab na to, andito yung information on the changes of the selected indices. And lastly, yung portfolio nyo po. So, dyan nyo po makikita yung list ng mga stocks na currently na tinitrade nyo po. Ngayon, proceed naman po tayo sa next major na tab, which is the quotes. So, click lang po natin. On this section, dito mo po makikita yung basic quote ng isang stock. So, under this tab, may mga sub-tabs din siya. I won't go through sa mga tabs pong ito, but I will discuss yung mga usual kong ginagamit, which is, isa na po dito yung stock information. So, bali po, dito nyo makikita yung relevant, static, and dynamic information for a specific stock. So, for example, this one, so ALI, so makikita nyo po dito yung bid price and ask price. Nandito din po yung last traded price at yung volume traded for this stock. Okay? Sunod naman po na importante para sa akin ay yung watch list. So, helpful po ito kasi pwede mong i-list yung favorite or monitored stocks mo. For example, stock code ko ay ALI. I want to monitor ALI. I'll just add this up. For example, now, add or STI. I'll click up. So, yan. Makikita nyo na po and real-time yung mamamonitor yung mga favorite stocks na inaabangan nyo. Also, yung charting po, ginagamit ko din siya. Bale, when you click charting, magpo-prompt po siya ng new browser window. So, currently, nakaselect po sa akin yung ALI. So, type ka lang po ng stock na gusto mong i-analyze. So, bali po, makikita nyo po dito yung historical data at yung pagtaas at pagbaba ng stock prices across consecutive trading days. So, if you're a trader, it is helpful for your technical analysis, which is relevant bago ka bumili ng posisyon sa potential na company na gusto mo. Okay? So, going back to the COL Financial site. Right? So, ngayon po, we will proceed naman po sa next major tab, which is trade. Okay? Click lang po natin. So, bale po, ito yung section kung saan tayo nag-execute ng buy and sell orders ng stocks. So, dito po yun. Enter order. So, currently po, habang ginagawa ko tong video na to, the market is closed because it's Sunday. So, dito mo rin po pwedeng i-review yung open orders mo, wherein you can review or request a cancel. So, dito po yun sa view and modify order. Yan po. Dito mo rin po makikita yung trade history. Yan. Of course, your portfolio. Yan naman po. So, sa portfolio mo po, makikita yung actual and buying power mo po. So, sa trade tab din po, makikita nyo rin yung OH order. OH order, yan. So, bali pang ibig sabihin po ng OH order ay off-hours order. So, pwede ka mag-place ng order kahit close na ang market. And yung last tab po natin ay yung EIP scheduler. So, kung ang strategy na gamit nyo po ay peso cost averaging, helpful po itong EIP scheduler kung gusto mong mag-set ng investment schedule. Pwede mong iset ito into monthly, quarterly, or annually para pumili ng specific stock. Moving forward, let's discuss naman po yung research tab. So, click research. Siyempre, as it suggests, dito mo po ma-access ang mga expert reports provided by our broker, the COL Financial. Of course, as a new investor, magandang source ito that will help and guide us in choosing the right companies to invest with. So, si COL Financial, nagpo-provide po siya ng fundamentals and technical analysis, wherein indicated din naman sa mga reports na ito ang kanilang recommendation. Okay? So, browse nyo lang po ito. Next one is the Street Smart. Click lang. Alright? So, sa page na ito, ma-access everything about local news and international news. So, dito mo rin po makikita yung mga featured downloads and videos na makakatulong po sa inyo as a new investor on how to get started in stock market. And lastly, the mutual fund. For this tab, so click lang po natin. Ito po ay another product na ino-offer ni COL Financial. So, ito po ay para sa mga investors na walang time or ayaw ma-hassle sa pag-handle ng investment. So, dito po, merong fund manager na nagha-handle ng inyong funds and siyang magde-decide to invest in higher return investment vehicle. So, kung para po ito sa inyo, punta lang po kayo sa FAQs ng COL Fund Source site. So, click nyo lang po and then basa-basa lang po kayo dito for more details. Alright? So, let's go back to the COL Financial site. Okay? Basically, natakal na po natin yung mga important points na dapat mong malaman about your COL Financial account. Bale po, huwag kayong ma-hesitate na i-explore ang account ninyo kasi napaka-user-friendly naman ng COL Financial website. Kung may hindi ka naintindihan or hindi na-discuss sa video na ito, tandaan mo na Google is your friend. So, kung nakatulong po ang video na ito for you to get started on your stock market journey, just give a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more video updates from the Investing Mom channel. Salamat po sa panonood and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!